So this is a healthy breakfast. So I am making this morning a breakfast egg burrito. So we have 1 tortilla wrap, cheese, 3 eggs, salt, pepper, some Italian spices, and olive oil spray. Let's add some salt, pepper, some Italian herbs, mix up a bit more, couple sprays of olive oil. Once the pan is hot, just add the eggs in there. And the only problem I'm having is I'm gonna have just a small tortilla. I don't know how that is gonna work. Add a bit of cheese. It's better to add grated cheese, but I didn't have it. Flip it over, cook for 30 seconds. Okay, it's ready.